It could be really fun to share your favorite songs, but figuring out how to play Spotify through your mic can be a bit tricky. So don't worry, I'm going to show you some easy ways to do it. So first, make sure that your microphone is properly connected to your device, whether it's a computer or an iPhone or a phone. So you're going to need the mic to work with your audio settings. So next, check if you have the right software to route your sound. Programs like VoiceMeeter or Audio Hijack can really help you send your Spotify audio through the mic. So check those out. If you're using a computer, you can set up Spotify to play through your speakers, and then you could use your microphone to pick up the sound. This works best when you're using an app like Discord or Zoom to chat with others. All right. Now, another option is to use Bluetooth speakers and connect them to your phone or your computer. Now, your microphone should pick up the sound from the speakers, all right? Now, lastly, if all else fails, you can record your music and you can share it with others later while you work on troubleshooting, all right? So if you're ready to share your tunes, let me know in the comments if you feel like it. Like this video, love you, thanks for being here, see you soon, see you soon, see you soon, ciao.